Hey Fort Collins, come join me this Friday between 3 and 5 p.m. and tomorrow, Saturday, between 1 and 3 in the Buckinghorse neighbourhood at my new listing, 2002 Yearling Drive. We're going to be doing an open house and a pumpkin treasure hunt. I'm going to hide 8 of these little guys and then 1 of these special silver little guys in the front and backyard of the property. And I'm going to show you, once we go inside, the little prizes that you can win. It's open for kids of all ages. Come on in. 2002 Yearling Drive on the cul-de-sac in Buckinghorse, right round the corner from Sept Farm. Here's the kitchen. Here's the family room. And then here's what you can win. For every one of these pumpkins you find, you'll get a Reese's Pieces, but get one of the silver pumpkins and you win a whole candy bar. And it's not even Halloween yet. So come join me, Robert Crow with Remax, at 2002 Yearling Drive this Friday, 3 to 5, and then tomorrow, Saturday, from 1 to 3, and find the pumpkins.